Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you view all your comments on your TikTok or basically see your comment history on TikTok. So, without further ado, let's get right into it. So for example, we want to comment on a TikTok post here. So for example, cute, like that. And let's go ahead and go over to profile here and the three lines on the upper right corner, settings and privacy. And let's go ahead and go over to activity center here and go over to comment history, and as you can see, you will see here all of the comments you made on your account since the beginning of using it. So to be able to view that, you just have to go over and tap that, and you will see it here, and you can then delete it, or you can do so and see all your features here. You can do it as well. So there guys, that is how you can basically see all your comments or your comment history on TikTok. Thank you for watching and goodbye.